Everything that they said or thought that you will never gain, you are gaining it. You are going into a cycle of abundance. Abundance in regards to your spirit, abundance in regards to your wealth, knowledge, and just emotional well-being. Some of you are going into new jobs, some of you are creating a new business, some of you have a new business and your business is flourishing. If you are going to create a business, your business will flourish. Some of you will have multiple streams of income also. You may have been around people that told you that what you wanted to manifest will never be, right? And I feel that some of you had to walk away from these individuals because these individuals, they did not want you to succeed. You know, some of them were very happy because they felt like you did not have the financial resources to invest in your businesses, to invest in yourself. And for some of you, these individuals talked you out of certain roles, certain opportunities, you know, certain connections that will actually benefit you. These individuals wanted you to be closed down emotionally, okay? And for some of you, unfortunately, these individuals could have been family members. For some of you, these family members looked down upon you because you were the youngest or you were the middle child, and you felt the rivalry with these family members. This could be like siblings for some of you. And I also feel as if some family members felt like you will never attain anything or you will never attain much, is what I'm hearing, right? Because of your circumstances, because of your situation. For others of you, I feel like you could have been around a certain person that did not want you to gain some sort of stability, that did not want you to get into a relationship because they were fearful that you were going to be married and you will forget about them. This could be like an ex-partner, this could be a love interest or a mother figure. You know, this person was in deep fear of your rise. This person was in deep fear of your success. So what they did, they made sure that they constantly kept in touch with you to be able to see if you were advancing, okay? And for some of you, you realize that this person was trying to sabotage you. So you were left with no choice but to walk away. For others of you, you started to realize that the more that you were around this individual, the more opportunities were being closed. You know, this person was energetically blocking you, they were blocking your finances, they were affecting your health. And this individual or these people made sure that they cemented themselves in your life so that you do not get into a relationship. And many of you have a lot of love suitors that vie for your attention, but you may have been oblivious to this because you were around people that told you that someone wasn't good enough, or you don't need a relationship right now, you need to focus on your career. You can't have a career and a relationship, or a relationship with a specific person is not for you. You know, you need to level up in a certain way, or that person won't date you. Whatever the case is, they manipulated you emotionally, right? Until you felt like you were no good enough. And what happened is you actually ended up sabotaging connections that could have been very beneficial. But during this time of you being around this person, you started to notice that you didn't want to be around them anymore. So whatever they were blocking from you actually highlighted that they were indeed the blocker, okay? Because you started to feel bored whenever you were around this person, dissatisfied, drained. You didn't want to hang out with this person. You know, it's almost like you made excuses to not be around this person anymore. And when you disconnected from this individual, you started to find yourself. You started to tune into yourself. And I feel that you ended up falling in love with yourself, which then made you end up falling in love with someone else. Because whenever you were around this person or these people, you did not value yourself the way that you are starting to value yourself now. You always relied on their opinions. You tried to appease these individuals. And this is just a side note. These individuals don't even value themselves, right? They dictated on what you should do with your life, who you should speak to, who you should date, what job you should go for, all the rest of it. And it didn't leave you feeling good to know that you handed over your power. But then you started to gain power. You started to open your eyes. You started to see that you were amazing. You started to see that you are deserving of love. Because whether or not these people said it to you, these individuals made you feel like you were non-deserving of love. And that was their plan, to keep you at a low state so that they have full control over you. But when you started to see your worth, when you started to see your attributes, the beauty that is you, you started to then connect with other like-minded souls. And for some of you, you've connected with a soulmate. You've connected with a love interest who loves just as deeply as you. This person has opened up your heart chakra, because your heart chakra was closed off because of the people or the person that you were around. You could have been in a state whereby you were in your healing journey, right? And this person liked that fact, because they were then able to manipulate you because you were at a lower state than you are in the now, or that you're coming out of. And I'm not saying these people, this person is bad. For some of you, they knew what they were doing, but they were sent into your life at a time to help you on your healing journey, to help you with your growth. But what started to happen is, when you started to evolve and grow, they started to become even more clingy. They started to, try and hold on to the connection for their own reasons. Their reasons to come into your life or to be around you at that time was to help you to tap into your power, and then to evolve and become a better version of you. But when they started to see that now, they started to maybe put you down. They started to bring doubt into your mind, because they were fearful of the powerful person that you will become. And they feared that you will leave them behind. So they sabotaged you in many ways. They blocked you from love. They blocked you from advancing in your career. And they done the most. But now that you've disconnected from this individual, you are going to, or some of you have connected with this person right now, you're going to connect, or you are in a connection with someone who loves just as deeply as you, who sees the true value of you, who's not a person who will stifle you in any way. This person is very spiritual. They have an open heart. They're very compassionate. They're very kind, very caring. And they will allow you your own space, because this is an individual that likes their own space also. They love their independence, and they will encourage you. They will encourage you to go to the highest form of yourself. They're not threatened by you, okay? And they expect the same from you. This is your match, or this will be your match. The other person was not your match. This other person made you feel left out in the cold emotionally. This other person used their gifts for the bad. They honed in onto your insecurities, and they used your weaknesses for their own benefit. And I feel like in the now, you are stepping into your power, and this person is becoming very powerless. They're very fearful, because they're noticing there's a change within you. You're not blocking out other people opportunities. You're now blocking this person out, and they are growing extremely scared. There's a desperation that this person is feeling, but they're trying to keep under wraps. For some of you, it's a mother figure or your mum, right? For some of you, it could be the mother of your child, right? But I feel as if this person feels like time is running out. They are shocked that you've turned your back on them, and they're trying to reopen cycles with you time and time again. They're trying to invest in this situation with you, because they feel the change. They feel the shift, but this person's stubborn. They will not admit defeat. They will not admit that they have no control over you anymore. They're seeing you standing out, shining, expressing yourself, going towards your dream, going towards a person, going towards the true, powerful person that you always wanted to be. They see you standing in that role, and they are scared. So they're highlighting that they weren't really for you. They were a hidden enemy. They try to stop and block you from love. And now they feel like they're losing power and control